Well, good day, viewers. Look what we have here. You don't see these every day. 1938 Ford half-ton pickup truck. All original. And I ended up converting the mechanical brakes, there's my trouble light, to hydraulic brakes. So that involved installing new backing plates and brake shoe assemblies, rear brake lines, brake cables, master cylinder, bracket. What a place for a master cylinder. New master cylinder push rod. It uses the original brake assembly. The kit come with all the lines pre-bent, and flex hose here, another line here, park brake cable. Uses the existing brake light switch, but there is a pressure type brake light switch that can be used if the original brake light switch doesn't work. And of course, front brake backing plates. Now I did have to modify the upper part of the steering knuckle there. I had to grind off about 3/8 to 1/2 inch of the top of the steering knuckle to make room for the backing plate where the wheel cylinder sits. It's a different shape, so you can see how nice that line fit in there. So we're just going to button up some retaining clips on this steel line back here on this trailing arm. I'm going to drill and put retaining clips on the line and a guide clip for the cable. Now the instructions said to put this park brake cable under the track bars here, but to me it fits better and less interference over top of the track bars, so that's where I put it. We tried under, but again, this looks like it fit. This is a torque tube, it's not a drive shaft, so it doesn't turn, and it goes up and down with the suspension. Cool job, a lot of work though.